All right, real quick, you guys are wondering why I'm wearing a Mamba shirt. I don't like the Lakers, as you know, but I did like Kobe Bryant, watching him play, so I am a fan of Kobe Bryant. May he rest in peace. But anyway, real quick, this is the Vivo in-ceiling TV mount. I wanted to show you guys this. Put this in a couple years ago. I put it in when I installed this panoramic door. This used to be a whole solid wall, and I cut this wall out and put this panoramic door in. It folds. So I put this TV mount in here, and what it does is it folds down. So you can mount it in front of a sliding door. You can mount it in front of a panel door, so that when you're inside the house, you don't, have obstructed view when the TV is hanging down, for one. For two, if you do have folding doors, you can still put this up here and still open and close your doors while having the TV in place. A lot of people I see, they mount it off to the side or over, out of the way instead of having it centered. I wanted to have mine centered. So in order to do that, I put this Vivo mount. I'll put a link in the description. I think I bought this on Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. And I put some wires up there, just some pokers for birds. They don't make a nest. But I had to make my own bracket. But you can mount this directly to your ceiling to where it folds down. Another thing I like about it is you can stop it, position it wherever you want. And you can change the glare on the TV. So if you're out here sitting, you have to drop the shade down. If the sun's hitting it, you can change it, stop it. And that way you don't have a glare when you're watching TV. You can't spin it left or right. But I'm always sitting centered anyway, so it really doesn't matter. But if you guys are interested in this, let me know. As far as making the bracket, I just mounted mine into the stucco with some angle iron. It's pretty easy to do. So if you guys like these videos, make sure you hit that like, follow button. Head over to my YouTube channel, Matt's Crafty, and like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers over there, and I got a lot of projects. I've just been real busy. In the next couple months, I'm going to start building an ADU over here in the corner. I'm just waiting for the city to approve my permit. And once I do that, I'll bring you guys along with that as well. Right now I'm doing a whole shop renovation. I'm going to do a video on that. I'm ripping everything out, putting all new cabinets, I redid the floor. So yeah, like I said, I haven't posted any videos because I've just been busy, man, working hot this summer. So if you guys like this video, like I said, head over there, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I'm out.